Our Lady of Mount Carmel. Our Lady of Mount Carmel is the title given to our Blessed Virgin Mary as patroness of Carmelites. The story of Our Lady of Mount Carmel begins with Prophet Elijah. In the Old Testament, Prophet Elijah lived on Mount Carmel in Palestine, what is now known as Holy Land. Mount Carmel, which in Hebrew language means God's vineyard, is a coastal range in northern Israel, stretching from the Mediterranean Sea towards the southeast. It contains many caves and several rocks. The slope of the mountain is covered with luxuriant vegetation. As mentioned in the Bible, the first book of Kings, chapter 18, Elijah challenged 450 prophets of a particular Baal on Mount Carmel to determine the superiority of their God. Needless to say, Prophet Elijah was victorious. Mount Carmel is also a sign. Prophet Elijah sent his servant several times on the mountain to look for a cloud. But at the seventh time, when he went up, he looked around and saw a little cloud coming out of the sea, like man's hand. Soon the sky was filled with dark clouds, and the rain fell in torrents, once again reinforcing the power and strength of God. The heavenly rains came, and the drought was over. Some 9 centuries before she was born. When this cloud came, the drought was over, and people lived in happiness. It was suggested that this little cloud was the prefiguration of the Blessed Virgin Mary. It was in late 14th century that Our Lady gave a brown garment called the brown scapular to a holy man by the name of Simon Stock. She promised him that whoever dies wearing this scapular would be saved. Thus, this scapular became a part of the Carmelite habit or dress. The statue of Our Lady of Mount Carmel usually depicts her with a brown scapular. The feast of Our Lady of Mount Carmel is celebrated on 16 July all over the world. It is a time to renew our love, devotion, and dedication to her. Carmelite religious all over the world honor Mary as Queen Beauty of Carmel. We, as Apostolic Carmelites, believe that all that is beautiful and to be cherished in Apostolic Carmel is summed up in Mary, Queen of Carmel. She shows us how to live in humble and silent service in a world that is assailed by greed for power, anxieties, fears, doubts, and uncertainties. For the sisters of the Apostolic Carmel, this feast marks the anniversary of the foundation of our congregation. It was on this day in 1868 Carmel for the Mission was founded at Bayonne, France, by Mother Veronica of the Passion, our venerable foundress. Ever since, this little Carmel has grown and blossomed and spread its branches all over India, Sri Lanka, Kuwait, Bahrain, Africa, Pakistan, and Rome.